Oh, what a day we had today. Yep, kicking butts is all we do. Yep, I felt nothing possibly go wrong. Bomb, are you okay? Oh, I'm fine, Chuck. I just. Uh-oh. What? You have a case of the hiccups. A hiccups? Oh no, I got the hiccups. What are we gonna do? Relax, Bomb. I have an idea. What, you gonna get some help? I'll call the doctor. No, I got other thing coming. What? Well, you've got one option. What is that? Is Boo! Ah! Actually, that's not so bad. Well, that didn't work. It just made it worse. Sorry, dude, but I'm not sure if there's a way to recover ya. Oh, really? Yeah, I'm sorry, dude, but we have no choice. What are you guys gonna do? Hi. What's up? Hey, girls. Something wrong? You okay? Yeah, everything okay? Bomb? You okay, dude? Uh-oh, he has a case of the hiccups. What's the hiccups? The most dangerous disease of them all. Well, not a dangerous disease, just some kind of a... There's a cure for it, though. It just needs some nice remedy. Remedy what? Remedy. Needs some nice remedy. What's a remedy, you ask? Yes, I was gonna say that. Well, a remedy is some kind of cure. How you gonna help me with my hiccups? Well, you see, we need some nice stuff. Awesome! Sounds like an idea to me. How's that gonna help me? Well, Bomb, it helps ya, cause you need a drink. And how's exactly a drink gonna help us? You know, you guys being girls and all. Oh, I got everything coming. Right, Don? Totally. We just need a nice drink of cola. That's a big cup. If this will help you, I don't know what will. Okay, Bomb, drink it. You're serious? Not said about anything, Bomb. Drink it. Yeah, drink it. Yeah, dude, it might help ya. Okay, here goes nothing. You can do it, Bomb. That feels so good. Hey, the hiccups are gone. What'd you put in that remedy of drink? Cola. Cola always works with me. Totally. Well, that worked. Awesome. Now I know how to hear the Bomb's annoying hiccups. Excuse me? Nothing. Awesome. Awesome. So glad you like it. Yeah, it was awesome. Girls, how did I ever doubt you? Thank you. Yeah, no problem. Now excuse us for another thing to cure. See you boys later. Bye guys. Oh, bye girls. Well, that's over. I don't need to hear about your annoying hiccups anymore. Red? Red? I got hiccups. Oh no. Do you need to scare? No. I got another thing coming. Get back here, I'll help you recover. Oh great, here we go again. What do I do for fun?